Your Samsung phone can do this? I'm about to show you 5 hidden settings that will blow your mind, and you won't find them in the manual. Setting number 1. Press and hold on any empty space on your phone's home screen, then tap Settings from the options at the bottom. With this setting, you can change the app icon size on both your home screen and apps screen at the same time. That means if you make the icons smaller here, they'll be smaller on both the home screen and the app drawer. Similarly, if you make them larger, they'll be larger on both screens. Setting number 2. Open your Samsung device setting first. Then tap on Connections. Then tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Then tap on Mobile Hotspot. Then tap on Network Name or Password. Then level up band 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz. Then tap on Advanced and scroll down and tap on Save. Wi-Fi sharing lets you share your phone's Wi-Fi connection along with mobile data. If Auto Hotspot is enabled, this feature will stay on automatically. Settings number 3. Swipe down from the top left corner of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from anywhere else on the top of the screen to open the Notification panel. Let's see how to enable this setting. Swipe down Notification panel and tap pencil icon. Then tap on Panel Settings. Then enable Quick Panel on left side. Setting number 4. Open Setting on Samsung device. Then scroll down and find Advanced Features. Then tap on Advanced Features. Tap on Floating Notification. Then select the bubbles. If you choose bubbles, notifications for compatible conversations will include an icon you can tap to change the conversation to Bubble View. Setting number 5. Open your Samsung device setting. Then scroll down. Then tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Hearing Enhancements. Then enable Assistant menu. And tap on Assistant menu. Then adjust transparency. Then tap on Select the Assistant menu items. On Samsung Galaxy devices, you can turn your phone into a touchpad, just like on a laptop. Once enabled, the screen works as a touchpad, and you can move your finger to control the cursor, mouse pointer. This makes it easier to use your phone on bigger screens like a TV or monitor. Simply put, your phone works like a mouse.